Today going to discuss traffic rules. These are the objective questions based on the new pattern of exam, because nowadays almost departmental exam objective type questions they are asking only. Our answers verified by and updated in 2000 as per 2021. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel, click on like buttons and also share with your friends. Thank you. Previously I am giving daily one. So today first question. Plotting of all train movements in a time and a distance chart by section controller is called. Plotting of all train movements in a time and distance chart by a section controller is called. The correct answer is charting. This is called charting. Next question. Time interval between two successive mail express trains in a particular section on the division available for maintenance is called. Time interval between two successive mail express train in the particular section on the division available for maintenance is called corridor block. These are normally mentioned in WTT. Previously I giving some videos daily, but I started to give the name set 1, set 2, set 3 so that viewers can verify that set 1 completed, then next day we will go for set 2, so that I given the name as set 1, set 2, set 3. This is for your information. So the next question is, master chart is useful for what? There are lots of usages there of master chart. So we will see the option and which one will correct we will decide. The option 1 is filling up vacancies, detecting deciding lunch time, option C revision of timetable, and option D deciding duty hours. So the correct answer is revision of timetable. Through master chart we can revise the timetable. Next question. ODC movement. Sanctioning authority of A class ODC movement within division is. See, A class ODC is not that much risk because gap between obstruction and train is more. So if it is running inside the division, DRM will be the deciding authority. A class ODC deciding authority is DRM inside the division. If it is running inside division, it is not crossing one division, then DRM can sanction. Next question. Sanctioning authority for A class ODC movement in inter-division of same zone. Division change, here division is changing. In last question their division also not change, but here division change but zone is same. In the same zone, in such condition PCOM can give permission. PCOM is the sanctioning authority in such condition. Next question. Maximum permitted speed of trains at stations with standard 4R for revised interlocking. The correct answer is 160 kmph. Standard 1R, Standard 2R, Standard 3R, Standard 4R. These are the interlocking system. So in Standard 4R, the maximum permissible speed is 160 km per hour. Next question. Color of EUYN panel button. In SM panel, so many buttons is available. So one button is there, EUYN. So what is the color of this button? The correct answer is gray. EUYN button is in gray color. Next question. Color of COGGN button. COGGN. The answer is red color. Red color. COGGN button, red color. Next question. The authorized officer to issue SWR, station working rule. Maybe according to zone the answer will be vary, but according to Southern Railway the correct answer is DRM, Divisional Railway Manager. The authorized officer